7 lakhs for the 500cc bike? Oh no, it's 8.3 lakhs. The GST effect. Sounds crazy, right? Here is why the Honda NX500 is actually the smartest money you'll spend. Hi guys, welcome back to GMS040. Let me tell you the impressive features in this bike. Let's start with the Honda Intelligent Weight Management. The bike looks pretty big, but the curb weight is just 196 kgs. This is lighter than the most of the bikes in 400 to 500cc segment. But what does that mean for us? Excellent mileage, low tire wear, low maintenance, easy on pocket. I rode this bike for 2400 kilometers. Must say this piece of mission has given mind-blowing experience. It's a 500cc twin-cylinder engine. This is Japanese-built engine, that's why you feel the difference instantly in every throttle. It's got a 46.9 bhp at 8600 rpm. That's one of the major advantages of long touring. Hands down to the smoothest slipper clutch I have ever experienced. Plus you got a big TFT screen that allows you navigation, calls and music. Let's talk about the suspension. It's got a premium 41mm Showa suspension, provides good balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. You won't believe guys, suspension setup contributes to the bike's stability. It gives you the confidence, inspiring handling. It has a very good ground clearance of 165mm, helps with navigating obstacles. It has ProLink monoshock system with 150mm of rear wheel. The linkage helps maintaining traction and stability under acceleration and braking. Single shock absorber designs keeps weight centralized and maintained simpler. Dual channel ABS comes standard, helps prevent wheel lockup on slippery and loose surfaces. ABS adds versatility for adventure riding. Okay, let's talk about durability. Cause it's Honda, known for its durability and reliability. I think this is the most stylish ADV bike, looks so slim and so sturdy. It's my personal opinion guys, I think there is no competition for NX500 in this sector. Trust me, buying this ADV bike was one of my best decisions I have ever made. It stays as strong as now even after a long time. In India it is very expensive since it is CBU unit. It will be a good investment on adventure sport. It is that one bike that does everything. Whether it is for daily commuting or touring, you can keep this for a long time. The good part, this is very low maintenance when compared to other big bikes. Test ride the NX500 and thank me later guys.